Oh no, not again.
Arya, why are you staring at your notebook like that?
Because my notebook is trying to destroy my happiness.
That sounds serious.
Look at this sentence. I have went to New York. My teacher said it's wrong.
Oh, present perfect tense.
Even the name sounds difficult.
What happened?
Today my teacher explained it for an hour, but I still don't understand.
Tell me everything.
I don't understand when to use have, has, been, and gone.
That's actually a very common problem.
Really?
Yeah.
I also wrote, I have saw this movie.
Ouch.
Then I wrote, she have finished her homework.
Double ouch.
Please don't laugh.
I'm trying my best.
Everyone in class answered so quickly.
Don't compare yourself with others.
But I feel so slow.
Learning English takes time.
Grammar always makes me nervous.
That's completely normal.
You always sound confident.
Because I made hundreds of mistakes before.
Really?
Of course.
You too?
I once said, I have ate breakfast.
Seriously?
My teacher looked shocked.
Okay, now I feel better.
Good.
So can you teach me slowly?
Very slowly.
With simple examples?
Yes,
And real-life conversations?
definitely.
Great. My brain likes conversations more than grammar books.
Same here.
So, what exactly is present perfect tense?
Good question.
Thank you.
Present perfect talks about actions that happened in the past, but still have a connection to the present.
Wait, say that again?
Something happened before now, but it still matters now.
That sounds easier.
Let's use examples.
Okay.
I have lost my keys.
You lost them before now,
Correct.
but you still don't have them.
Exactly.
Oh, I understand.
See?
Give me another one.
She has finished her homework.
She finished it earlier. Yes. And now she is free.
Perfect.
Wait, I actually understood that.
Grammar is not always scary.
Maybe only a little scary.
Now let's learn the structure.
I'm ready.
Subject plus have or has plus third form of the verb.
Third form.
Yes.
English really loves giving verbs different forms.
That's true.
So, I have eaten.
Correct.
She has finished.
Perfect.
They have played.
Excellent.
Wait, when do we use has?
With he, she, and it.
And have?
With I, you, we, and they.
Okay, I think I can remember that.
Good.
But why can't I say I have went?
Because after have or has, we use the third form.
So go becomes
Gone.
and went?
That's the second form.
English really enjoys drama.
Absolutely.
So I should say, I have gone to New York.
Perfect.
Wow.
You're learning fast.
Don't praise me too early.
Fair enough.
Give me more examples.
I have seen this movie.
She has visited Paris.
They have cleaned the room.
We have eaten dinner.
Excellent.
This actually feels easier now.
Because you understand the idea first.
Conversations really help.
I agree.
Can we practice with real-life questions?
Of course. Have you ever traveled by plane?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever stayed in a hotel?
Yes, I have.
Have you ever ridden a horse?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever met a famous person?
Sadly, no.
Good answers.
This is actually fun.
That's the secret.
Wait, I have a question.
Ask me.
Have you ever forgotten your homework?
Many times.
Really?
Unfortunately.
I have done that too.
Great sentence.
Look at me! I'm speaking present perfect.
Yes, you are.
Yesterday, I was scared of this grammar topic.
And today, you're improving.
Maybe grammar isn't my enemy anymore.
Exactly.
Guys, what grammar topic should we learn next? Future tense? Travel English? Daily English conversations? Job interview English? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more easy English lessons and fun conversations. Thank you so much for learning with us today. Keep practicing English every day. keep speaking confidently. And remember, mistakes are part of learning. See you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.